আজকে আমরা জানব কম্পিউটারের সবচেয়ে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ 110টি ফুল ফর্ম। 1 নম্বর এলসিডি, লিকুইড ক্রিস্টাল ডিসপ্লে। এলইডি ফুল ফর্ম লাইট ইমিটিং ডায়োড। সিআরটি ক্যাথোড রে টিউব। কেবিডি ফুল ফর্ম কিবোর্ড। ইউপিএস ফুল ফর্ম আনইন্টারপ্টেবল পাওয়ার সাপ্লাই। CPU full form Central Processing Unit. CD full form Compact Disc. DVD full form Digital Versatile Disc. BIOS full form Basic Input Output System. SMPS full form Switch Mode Power Supply. USB full form Universal Serial Bus. PC full form Personal Computer. OS full form Operating System. OSK full form On Screen Keyboard. URL full form Uniform Resource Locator. Virus full form Vital Information Resources under siege. PNG full form Portable Network Graphics. IP full form Internet Protocol. CAD full form Computer Aided Design. DDS full form Data Distribution Service. APM full form Advanced Power Management. CTRL full form Control. ALT full form Alternate. ESC full form Escape. PGUP full form Page Up. PGDN full form Page Down. GPU full form Graphics Processing Unit. Gmail full form Google Mail. Email full form Electronic Mail. CAN full form Campus Area Network. GPL full form General Public License. MS full form Microsoft. MSN full form Microsoft Network. BCC full form Blind Carbon Copy. MPEG full form Moving Picture Expert Group. PSD full form Photoshop Document. KB full form Kilobyte. MB full form Megabyte. GB full form Gigabyte. TB full form Terabyte. CRS full form Computer Reservation System. WAN full form Wide Area Network. MAN full form Metropolitan Area Network. LAN full form Local Area Network. PAN full form Personal Area Network. MCA full form Master of Computer Application. OMR full form Optical Mark Recognition. LTE full form Long Term Evolution. iOS full form iPhone Operating System. DDR full form Double Data Rate. MIPS full form Million Instruction per Second. MMC full form Microsoft Management Console. WMA full form Windows Media Audio. AAC full form Advanced Audio Coding. Wi-Fi full form Wireless Fidelity. OTP full form On Time Password. UNIVAC full form Universal Automatic Computer. IPv6 full form Internet Protocol version 6. CMD full form Command Prompt. MD full form Make Directory. DMA full form Direct Memory Access. AVI full form audio video interleave. WLAN full form wireless local area network. DOC full form document. GIF full form graphics interchange format. PPI full form pixel per inch. DOS full form disk operating system. NTP full form network time protocol. BCR full form barcode reader. KBPS full form kilobits per second. MBPS full form megabits per second. YB full form yottabyte. ZB full form zettabyte. ISP full form internet service provider. TPS full form transaction processing system. GP full form group policy. PDF full form portable document format. PB full form petabyte. WMV full form Windows Media Video. NOS full form network operating system. WWW full form World Wide Web. FAT full form file allocation table. FTP full form file transfer protocol. UAC full form user account control. JPG full form joint photographic group. MTP full form media transfer protocol. PPT full form PowerPoint presentation. BPI full form bits per inch. PIO full form programmed input out. RGB full form red, green, blue. EOF full form end of file. POP full form point of presence অথবা post office protocol. BOSS full form ভারত operating system solution. POST full form power on self test. DTR full form data transfer rate. HPFS full form high performance file system. CUA full form common user access. HDD full form hard disk drive. DTP full form desktop publishing. NTFS full form new technology file system. FDD full form floppy disk drive. DAT full form digital audio tape. OCR full form optical character recognition. JPEG full form joint photographic expert group. HD full form high definition. HAN full form home area network. VoIP full form voice over internet protocol. আর কম্পিউটার ফুল ফর্ম হচ্ছে C ফর কমন, O ফর অপারেটিং, M ফর মেশিন, P ফর পারপাসলি, U ফর ইউজ ফর, আর T ফর টেকনোলজিক্যাল, আর E ফর এডুকেশনাল, R ফর রিসার্চ। TAB ট্যাব এর ফুল ফর্ম টেবুলার কি অথবা টেবুলেটর কি। SHIFT শিফট ফুল ফর্ম স্মার্ট হাই ইন্টেন্সিটি ফাংশনাল ট্রেনিং।